Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted Brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the Blip-Free left-leaning single decrease with setup. I've already worked my single decrease setup in the previous row, and I've come back to the point where I want to make the actual decrease, and you can see I've got two adjacent knit stitches sitting under one shared purl yarn over, followed by two adjacent purl stitches, they're in the blue, sitting under their own shared brown yarn over. Starting with my knit coloured yarn at the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle, and my pearl coloured yarn in front, here's how it's done. First thing to do is slip one stitch with the shared yarn over from the left needle to the right, knitwise. I'll show you that again. Knitwise, slip one stitch and its yarn over from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip the yarn over only, knitwise again, back from the right needle to the left. Then I'm going to slip the second stitch with the shared yarn over, knitwise again, from the left needle to the right. Then I'm going to slip all three strands together and purlwise from the right needle to the left. Then, using my knit coloured yarn, I'm going to knit all three of those strands together through the back legs. That gives me the SSK on the front. And nice and simply, the matched pair to the SSK is a simple purl two together. So I'm going to work my yarn over manoeuvre, taking the pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bringing it to the front, coming between the two needles. Then I bring my knit coloured yarn to the front, coming between the two needles as well. All that remains to be done is I purl all three of those strands together using my pearl coloured yarn just through the front legs as normal, and I take my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle. Looking at what we've done there, there's no colour blips showing through at all. That's because these two stitches were under one shared yarn over, so there's nothing to get in the way. And this leans over to the left on the front side of the fabric. Turning it over, another blip-free decrease leans beautifully over to the right. And there you have it, the blip-free left-leaning single decrease with setup.